So Jen, how did you hear about the Fetch app?
I saw it come up on Facebook and I was interested in it. So I downloaded the app and started using it. Here we are.
Can you tell me a little bit about what you knew about the app before you signed up?
I just knew that take a picture of a receipt and send that in, and you would get points.
Do you tend to get more than 25 points per receipt?
From grocery shopping, Walmart. I get the best points out of that. This is the most effective way to earn a gift card. Just scan your receipts and save the points.
Do you know which brand is your favorite brand to earn those extra points on?
Potato chips, General Mills products.
Can you tell me a little bit about if you've redeemed any rewards through the app? Have you gotten any gift cards or donated to charity, anything like that?
I use the reward points to purchase books through Amazon. I'm a bit of a reader, so that's my reward to myself. My bookshelf is quite full.
What has worked really well for you in the app, or what do you like about the app?
I like how easy it is. It's just simple. Just scan and click and upload. That's it. It's extremely simple, and I like simple.